What's up, dudes? Got your BW 200 Banshee video coming real soon. Working on it right now. But you know what? The other day, shoot, all the stars aligned. Everything's perfect, ready to go. TRX 90 versus Raptor 90 battle. And we sacrificed a 110 to them, dudes. Check this out. And me and Parker, we did a little racing around the pond. Gotta get him inside. And did some bumper pulls with them, and then we had to go ahead and do some drag racing and just see which one was all around the better machine. And then, what do you know? Brett May ended up buying the Raptor. Good for him, dude. Shouts out. Hope you enjoy it. Combatant number 3, Raptor. And the China one, and it's literally gonna drag them, oh boy. I mean, down the daggone road. We got to do a pull test. See, I need to let people know that you got the right idea. You're buying the Yamaha instead of the Hondas. So what have we got? It's an ace. I'll tell you right now. Oh my goodness. The Chinese 110 is gonna be a little lighter and have more CCs than both of them, but come on. Come on. I'm gonna make Parker ride this first so he can get his shifting down a little bit. This is a good runner, boys. I'm gonna ride this for a minute, and then we're gonna get into this one. We're gonna race him, get him good and warm. Then we're gonna do a bumper pull. That's all we can do. America. Okay? So, America. That still means a little something to some of us. Raptor 90. So, I'm gonna learn Parker how to race this in a couple practices. We're gonna warm this up. Maybe I shouldn't sit on the back rack and do shitties. Jump! This is the one you wanted to buy, right, Brent? So I think it's good to go now. Alright, bumper pull! Oh my nuts, stop.
You okay?
Oh, I tried to sneak him and he pulled the whole bike into me. Oh. Switch me. Uphill. Brake. Oh, you got straight 2, 3.
mud all over you.
Helmet. Oh, drift on the gravel, you mean, right here? One, two, three. You gonna go out in the woods? Oh, tall grass. Cover that big stick. There you go. You like that Raptor?
Yeah.
Don't have to shift it, huh?
Yeah.
Takes off pretty damn fast, don't
Yeah,
it?
and it even with like the clutch on and the clutch off, it goes fast.
Pretty easy, huh?
Yeah.
It isn't that one is better than the other, I don't think. I think they're both just awesome machines. The newer Raptors will have reverse on them. This is a 2011, it doesn't. None of the TRX 90s do. This has electric start and it's a 4-speed semi-automatic. This one's fully automatic. You don't have to shift it. So that's the major difference there. I don't know. For an adult, I'd say the TRX 90 is probably the way to go. But for a first-time rider, I would say the Raptor. Any kid's gonna love it. Any kid's gonna love either one of them probably, but they can hit the ground running a lot harder on the Raptor and push their limits as much as they want. That being said, if you have a kid who maybe it's not a good idea to just turn them loose like that, then the TRX is perfect. You put it in first gear, they can only go like 7 or 8 miles an hour. They're both 4 strokes and they're both air cooled. I mean, another difference here, which I do like, is the dual A-arms on the Raptor versus the single A-arms on the TRX. The Raptor feels like it's capable of going across. It feels like it's set up better than this one. Like, you can go full speed on this across the field. You're not even hardly going to feel it. You go full, this may have a little more top speed. I believe it does. But if you go full speed across the field on this one, you're going to feel it a little bit more. So, the Raptor's a little lower. And if you're trying to pop wheelies on one, then you definitely want the TRX, because the CVT is just not good for that. So if you want to pop you some wheelies, you better just go with TRX 90. I got a lot more coming, guys. Check it out. PW80, I'm working on it right now. I'm almost done, so it should be fired up today. The big wheel 200 Banshee build. I'm not selling that one, so I need to do this PW and these other little ones first because it just costs me money. It's not making me any money. So I'm gonna get to that as soon as I'm done with this PW. We have a kids quad video besides this one coming up, and just lots more videos on the channel, guys. Dudes, hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure and like and subscribe. Get up in there. Follow me on Time Machine ATV's Instagram, and share this video. Share these videos with your friends, dudes. That's what it's all about. Sharing's caring. Appreciate you guys.